Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel, and today I am going to be doing a small clean with me, or a quick clean with me I should say, which is really more like just a pick up of things around my home. I do have my grandchildren with me for an extended visit, and so my living room has become a playroom. I have toy boxes and Pampers and just all the things that come along with little people. So each evening, everything needs to be kind of picked up and put back in place. It is not a deep cleaning, but if you want to see how I put my house back together each evening, then just keep watching. Now, my house is a bit of a disaster. I've had to move things around, to keep the kids safe. And, it's just stuff everywhere. My house is more crowded than normal, and so it's just stuff that's usually out of place that at the end of the day, I just need to pick everything up and bring back a little bit of order and find things that have been hidden by my 16-month-old grandson. He likes to hide things in the diaper box and toy boxes. He throws things in the garbage, all of that. So the evening time is the time to find all his hiding places and get it put back together. And as you can see, he's here with me as I'm doing this cleaning this evening. And I'm going to try to see how much I can get done while he's in his pack and play. But you know how that goes. I'm keeping him entertained by watching some of his shows. He likes Dave and Ava. He likes Sparkabilities, those types of shows he just really enjoys. So he's waving at the camera. He sees the camera up there. But let me just keep working while he's occupied, and the dog is sitting there keeping watch over him as he's singing along with his songs. Now, I didn't do a lot of decorating this year at all, but I did want to add some pops of red in my living room for the holiday season, just so that I could, just have a little bit of festivity in the home. But I didn't want to put a tree out here or anything because I did not want, the grandkids to, be so restricted. The place is small enough then, rather than having trees up and things like that they can't touch. So that's what I did. So now I've gotten this space almost cleaned back up. I'm throwing him the ball, he's throwing it back. Story of my life. Need to get it vacuumed up. Now this is something that has to be done sometimes twice a day because the kids spill things on the floor, and my dog is always around to try to eat up whatever it is, and we just find little pieces of random things. So it's just important to keep everything vacuumed up, keep the floor as free of debris as possible. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just using my stick vacuum, which I absolutely love to use because it's so lightweight and so easy to use. Every time I throw him the ball, he throws it back. In between my cleaning, I have to stop and entertain him to keep him preoccupied while I'm getting a little bit of work done. He's just enjoying a little tickle time with G-Ma. So now I'm going to tackle this kitchen. It is a bit of a mess. My island has become sort of like a catch-all. So it's always just full of things, and the countertops as well. So I do have to try to put things away. The problem that I have is my pantry is only so large, and I don't have that much cabinet space. So everything simply does not fit where it can be put away. But that's okay. I don't really mind at all. This is just the way that it is right now. As long as I keep things as tidy as possible, I'm okay with that. But normally I don't like to have a lot of things on the counters and things like that. But hey, it's the holiday season and I have my family close by, so I am all good. My refrigerator has really been messed with fingerprints. Oh, I found this Target gift card. That's what I was showing there. They have $5 off of a purchase of toys. So if you're in the market for toys for Christmas, check out that Target. It was in Sunday's paper, $5 off. So now I'm just cleaning the table off, and I'm using the Perfect Kitchen, I think it's called, or something like that. I'll put it on the screen, but I just use that to keep the refrigerator doors free of fingerprints. Stainless is very, very, very difficult to achieve that, but I do my very best. But I do find that I have a lot more little prints, especially on the lower part, from my grandkids touching it. And my grandson likes to try to swing on oven doors, dishwasher doors, all of those types of things. So I see his little prints everywhere. Now, in the midst of my cleaning, I turn around and this little guy decides that he wants to relocate the table and chairs. I don't know why. So everything is as tidy as it is going to be. Everything is at least clean for now, and I am pleased with it. And tomorrow I'll get to do this all over again, because trust and believe, within the first half of the day it'll be all stuff everywhere. The kids get up in the morning, they empty out their toy boxes and start playing with stuff. And it's just a mess. But I did put a few little touches of Christmas in here that I can enjoy and sit back and look at as I watch them play. I have these handle covers that I picked up off of Amazon. I just thought they were so nice to add a little bit of color to the house or to the kitchen, and also to reduce some of the fingerprints, you know. And these are something that I just kind of put on with some Velcro, but I thought they were really cute. If you're interested in them, check out my Amazon store. I'll link the information in the description box below. And I also just put few little decor pieces throughout the house, just to add a little bit of color. Nothing like what I normally do for the holiday season, but I think it looks nice. Anything with pops of red is gonna look festive, and that was what I was going for. I hope that you enjoy coming along with me on this video, and I hope that you will subscribe and hit the notification bell and stop by and see me again. And for my returning family members, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.